A lot of times the coaches get on with you guys and we're trying to help you get to $100,000 a month or $200,000 a month, but I can't tell you to put more money in something or take money out of something or suggest that we shift gears on things. You just need something that you can pull up, see all of your stats in one place to make decisions. And then we start doing a weekly marketing meeting. I do my marketing meeting every single Tuesday from 9 to 9:45. We focus on, I have a whiteboard in my clinic and all it is stats. It's every single thing that I need to see. So when I walk in, it tells me what my cost per lead is, how many leads did we get, how many people came into the office, how many converted to day 2, that goes into sales, how many said yes to care, and how many actually converted. That meeting is not just, hey, what happened last week or last month or last quarter? That is, let's make a decision like a CEO about what we're actually going to do with these things. Are we going to cut Facebook a little bit? Are we going to cut it completely and move everything over to TV or seminars? We need to make decisions based on not our gut feeling, but the actual data that you're seeing in this meeting. You know M1 is complete when you can answer these 5 questions. How much did I spend? How many leads did you get? From what channels? How many booked? And what's my cost per lead? If you have all of that information, we can move on to M2 and make educated decisions about where that budgeting is going to go, but also I want to get to $100,000 a month. I want to get to $200,000 a month. Well, we need this information first or we cannot help you. A lot of times the coaches get on with you guys and we're trying to help you get to $100,000 a month or $200,000 a month, but I can't tell you to put more money in something or take money out of something or suggest that we shift gears on things if you don't know your numbers. That's why M1 is by far the most important. We cannot help you in any other thing if we don't know this. You have to start here if you don't know these answers right off the top of your head.